Good afternoon folks, my name is Ben and this is a new segment on the channel called 1 Minute. Let's get right to it. This week we're covering the DJI Osmo Action. First off, this is not going to replace my Lumix G9 as my main video camera. It's just a handy tool to have in the bag. Still shooting is nothing special, but that's not what you buy this camera for. I tend to shoot everything in 4K 24p, and from this camera it looks pretty good. The rock steady stabilisation is ace, but the screen lag while recording is no myth. Can make it a bit confusing if you're using the screen for reference. Talking about screens, it's got two of them. HDR video recording is a bit too much for me. Audio is pretty decent considering it's just the internal mics. M42 mount for my old Zenit lenses. I would be interested to try out the microphone adapter when it comes out. The time-lapse function is great, I love using it in the car for hyperlapses. Custom functions are easy to set up and even easier to access. I use Android phones and I'm still yet to get the Mimo app working. I've tried on the Google Pixel 2 and the OnePlus 7 Pro, but it works just fine on iOS devices. What's going on there? Using the housing, you can attach using any GoPro accessories, but I think the DJI locking plates are actually far better. And yes, it's waterproof to 11 meters. I paid about £430 for this camera. Is it worth it? I'd say so. And that is it. That's my thoughts on the Osmo Action. If you like this video, give it a like and hit subscribe down below as well. I will be doing more of these 1 minute videos on the channel, and I do all these videos for free. So if you'd like to show your gratitude for them, I've got a PayPal link down below. Why not buy me a coffee? Until then, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a latte.